Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect n8n with WhatsApp. So in future, if you have any automation or workflow or AI agent you want to pass information from, you'll be able to do it and pass the information on WhatsApp platform with no issues. So let's go on a Meta developer website. So first thing you guys have to do is you have to make sure that you have a Meta business account set up. Good news are that if you want to start using and testing WhatsApp inside the n8n, you don't need to verify your business. As you can see, I'm already connected because I don't see no sign in and nothing else. I just see my apps. So what is the app is? Basically, in the app inside the Meta developer will give you and grant you access to use either Facebook API or Messenger, Instagram, and for today's video, it's going to be WhatsApp. So let's go inside my apps. So here we'll see green button. We're going to create an app. We're going to press on it and we can name it as n8n tutorial. We're going to click next. And here you're going to have different use cases, but we're going to be looking for something else. We're going to choose other. We're going to press next. And here we'll choose type business. We're going to click next. Here you basically can review your information and then we can click on create app. So once the app is created and everything loaded, that's the dashboard that you'll be seeing. So we're going to be specifically looking for WhatsApp. We're going to press setup. It's also going to take a second. Here, we're going to choose our business portfolio. I have mine already chosen. We're going to continue. Once we continue, we're going to be welcome to the WhatsApp business platform API setup. So we have to set up API to start using it inside the n8n. So we're going to start using the API. And once you start creating a connection, you'll be given a test number. As you can see, we have a test number already generated for us that we can test and work with. I think the maximum is five of those. So here we're going to click on generate access token. Continue. Opt in to all current and future WhatsApp accounts. Continue. Save. So it's going to take a second and we'll be able to see an access token generated for us. Now we're going to copy it and we're going to go inside the tools. And here you're going to be looking for access token debugger. Why we're going to do that? So we're going to paste it here, the access token we just copied. And the reason why we're doing that is because this access token that was generated, the lifetime of that access token is going to be only 1 hour. However, every hour you'll have to update your credentials inside the n8n. In order to avoid that, we're going to just come here and click on extend access token. So now our access token is going to expire in July 5th of 2025. I think it's like 2 months away from now. So as you can see, everything is good. Now let's go back to the app. And here we have a test number that is all just generated and we can start using that. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using just this test number. So let's go back to the workflow and let's start setting it all up. So first thing is going to be WhatsApp Business Cloud. We're going to be looking for, let's send message. And here we can create a new credential. So here you'll have to paste the access tokens that we just got. So let's go back, let's copy it and let's paste it here. And now we have to get business account ID. So let's go back and as you can see, we have phone number ID and we have WhatsApp business account ID. We're going to copy this WhatsApp business account ID. So we're going to go back and we're going to paste it right here. Let's rename it as for YouTube tutorial. And let's save it. No thanks. As you can see, connection tested successfully, meaning that we get connected. Now we'll be able to communicate. However, we also have to make sure that our webhook is also connected. To do that is, let's delete when clicking test workflow. We're going to add another node. WhatsApp Business Cloud. Here we'll be looking for on messages. So here I have all the credential connected, but we're going to set up a new one. So whenever we set up a trigger, we're going to be looking for client ID and client secret. So let's go inside the n8n tutorial app. And now what we have to do is go back to the app roles and actual app settings, basic. It's gonna take a second as well. The developer website usually takes longer and it's a bit slow. So you can see you have app ID and you have app secret. So if we go back inside here, we're gonna put our client ID, which is gonna be our Apple app ID. And inside client secret, we're gonna basically show. I'm gonna put in my password. And here I'm gonna basically copy this app secret and I'm gonna paste it right here. Let's save it. And now as you can see, connection tested successfully. Meaning that everything works and we can start creating AI agent. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick AI agent just to show you how everything works and how connection works and when the workflow is getting executed. So once you connect the trigger, the next step is gonna be basically we're gonna go inside the n8n tutorial app dashboard. And here you'll have to add one of the numbers. It can be your number. We're gonna use manage phone number list. And here you're gonna see add phone number. Basically gonna input your number. You're gonna get the verification code on your WhatsApp and you're gonna input it back here. And once you input it back here, meaning that your phone number now got connected and you can start testing with your phone number and with the number that is connected to the n8n, which is 55642. As you can see, the test number. So now let's go back to the workflow and let's start testing the step. For that, let me just close down my window a bit smaller so you can see my WhatsApp, and you can see I'm here in WhatsApp, and this is the phone numbers that was given to us from Meta. So let me remove that node and let's test the workflow. So we're gonna text it like, hey, and let's see what we get back. So as you can see, the trigger got executed, meaning that the connection is perfect. And in information, specific schema, we can see that we got inside the text and body, hey, meaning that everything works and we can start building on top of that. So now we want our agent to respond back to the person that texted them. For that, we're going to be using advanced AI agent. And here we're going to use the file below and just let's give it a very simple user message. Or actually, let's set up a system message here. Here you're going to be your helpful assistant that communicates with the client about anything. So here, type is going to be body is going to be hey. We're just going to input it right here. We're going to test the step. Oh, something I forgot. Let's add the chat model, which is we'll just use Anthropic chat model, and I'm going to be using 3.5 Sonnet Old. I like when it comes to chat models, I usually use Anthropic when it comes to AI agents or chatbots, but because I think they communicate the best. And when it comes to text and outputting a text, it sounds the most human and just the most eloquent. So here, let's just test it again. And you can see, hello, how can I assist you today? Is there anything specific you'd like to talk about or any questions you have? So whenever you actually build it out for you or for any business, you're gonna input the prompt and this AI agent can start selling your services, trying to get people on appointments. But in this video, I'm solely showing you how to connect everything all together. Here, we're gonna add another node, which is gonna be send message of WhatsApp Business Cloud. And if you remember at the start, we already connected send message. And here we're going to be using the YouTube tutorial, the credentials that I already connected a bit earlier. Resource message, operation send, sender phone number ID. We already have that. And recipient, I'm going to just pull it from the data that we have in the schema from the WhatsApp trigger. And here is going to be just a text body of the AI agent that gave us an output. And let's test the step. So as you can see, hello, how can I assist you today? Is there anything specific you'd like to talk to about or any questions you have? So as you can see, everything is set up and phone number. And in the past, when I communicated with these leads, be it on Instagram or through email, at one point they told me, hey, listen, this is my WhatsApp number. In the future, you can contact me and talk to me on the WhatsApp as well. How are you going to talk to them? So if you're going to set up message sent the way we set it up here, and we're trying to send the message to the numbers that never texted us before and never communicate with our WhatsApp agent that is set up on the number, we're not going to be able to send the message. It's going to give us an error. And let's say you want to, as I said, you have a leads list and you have a bunch of WhatsApp numbers, and you as a business having, for example, a discount or some special event, for example, it's Thanksgiving, and you're saying like, now my service is at 20% off, and you want to start mass sending this information and this deal, so people are getting on board and starting buying your service. So what you're gonna do to do that, you'll have to go inside the, let's go inside the business suite, and inside the business suite, you're gonna go into WhatsApp Manager, and here you'll be on an overview at first, and here you have to create a template. So you can either use a template library or you can create. So let's actually use one of the templates from the template library. We're going to be using, let's say, this one, finalize account setup. So as you can see, finalize account setup. Hi, John, your new account has been created successfully. Please verify your email address to complete your profile. Name of your template, let's say n8n. Submit. It's going to take a second. But basically, with the use of templates, you can start mass sending messages to the contacts that you have and you possess in your lead list, but you've never talked before. So as you can see, we have it all set up, but something important to mention. As you can see, we have hi text, which is basically where we're going to be putting the some data that can be exchanged. For example, it's going to be hi, John, or hi, Sam, based on the leads you have. Or your new account has been created. Please verify your email or whatever it is, your number, to complete your profile. And you can actually create your own template if you just click on create new template. So let's go back and let's manage our templates. And here I'm gonna basically just reload the page, and here I have the n8n, it's active. And now with that, I can start mass sending information to my lead list. So let's go back inside my workflow, and here how it can be set up. Let's set up real quick. It's gonna be, let's say, on schedule, add another trigger. It's gonna be on a schedule. Doesn't matter whatever we put as a trigger interval, because whenever we're testing, schedule trigger always gets executed. Then we can add Google Sheet. Here we're gonna get rows in Sheet. Let me show you my Google Sheet real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is the Google Sheet I quickly created. As you can see, this Google Sheet is going to act in accordance with the templates that we chose. It follows up with clients, reminding them to verify their account. As you see, we have full name, we have platform, we have phone number. We don't have the email because that lead probably prefers to be contacted via WhatsApp. We have the confirmation is pending. So if the n8n sees that something is pending or the status showing that we have to follow up, that's what it's going to do. It's going to look for pending. Follow up 0. And let's go back to n8n. And here we're going to go inside the Google Sheet. As I said, your Google Sheet can be always adjusted to your needs, as well as your template can be adjusted to your needs. For example, you don't want to follow up with people and verify their account. My business is completely different. So you can just create your own template and start sending messages like, or for example, like, hey, I'm having 20% off on my service today. Come and buy my service. You can always do that as well. So here I'm going to be using resource, sheet within document, operation get rows, document n8n tutorial, sheet number 1, column is going to be confirmation and pending. We're going to be looking for everything that is pending, even though I have one data to work with. And here we're going to, let's test the step. As you can see, I have full name, phone number, confirmation, pending, everything works. So now we're going to add another WhatsApp node, send a message, and here it's going to be credential to connect with. I already connected it with resource message send. So if you set it up like that, you won't be able to send a message to the contacts that you've never talked before. So if I'm sending to the numbers that we just tested right here, it's gonna send, because this contact has communicated with this account before. But if you want to send a complete new message to the WhatsApps that you've never contacted before, and that WhatsApp is in your lead list, you have that number, you're gonna do this. You're gonna resource is gonna be message, and operation is gonna be send template. The templates that we already have predefined. It's gonna be this number, and here it's gonna be just my number. 693861. Okay, here it's gonna be n8n, the ones that we just created, and here we're gonna add components. As you remember, we had hi John, and then please verify your email. So here it's gonna be my full name, hi Ed, and we're gonna add another parameter which was also in the text, and it's gonna be platform. This is gonna be now WhatsApp. So now let's test the step, and we should be getting a message. So let's wait. As you can see, I have finalized account setup. Hi Ed, your new account has been created successfully. Please verify WhatsApp to complete your profile. It should have said your WhatsApp. So we verify account. We got sent out to some external URL. And as you can see, the workflow worked pretty fine. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And now you know how to connect n8n to WhatsApp, but not only connect n8n to WhatsApp, but start building something. You can start building your appointment system using WhatsApp. You can start building your follow-up with leads system using WhatsApp and n8n. And if you have any questions, just feel free to comment down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.